Are you looking for an easy way to change the theme on chess.com? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. In just a few simple steps, you can customize your chessboard and make playing even more fun. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Chess app and then tap Sign Up at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't already have a chess.com account, you can sign up using an email, or you can continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook. If you already have a chess.com account, tap Login at the top right corner of the screen, and then log in with either Apple, Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you've logged into your account, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. So now you'll be able to access the theme option over here. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you have the ability to change the theme on chess.com. Right now it's set to standard. If you want to change it, just tap on the theme that you like. As you can see, the theme has now changed to the one that I selected. So you can scroll down, tap, and select any of these themes. Once you've selected a theme you like, just go back and start playing your game. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.